Hey folks, I'm Tori. Welcome to Bass Strategy. Well, we are back out on the water and the rain gear is back on. We got a misty, foggy, cool July morning. First weekend in July and the weather is perfect for fishing. We're going to be throwing the top water. I got the Creature here and I got a swim jig tied on. We got some murky, grassy water here, so we're going to see if we can continue on with this trend of good fishing on these rainy mornings. So let's see what we can do. Let's go fishing. There we go, first cast on the swim jig. Small one. No action can to start off, just a little too wet. Oh, it comes off right at the boat. Convenient, no action can. But that's a good sign on the first cast with the swim jig. There we go. Small one. Little guy on that Creature swinging at you. That Destroyer there. Let him go. It's the kind of morning that you just kind of wanted to stay in bed. Cool, raw. Sticky. Don't have to wire the garden today though. That's a nice. Oh. We had a bass right up at the boat with the swim jig. There we go. Pretty small one. Ah, came off. Shoot. My line got looped around this little hook keeper here. And I wanted to kind of get it free of that. And as I was getting it free, that was enough of an opportunity for the fish to come off. So it was a small one. There we go. Feels like a nice one. Yeah, nice little pounder here. There we go. A little pounder here on that Creature. Let's put him back. I think that's pretty much going to be my only option this morning is that Creature. They're just not taken in. They're definitely not coming up for the top water. That's just out of the question. And that swim jig is just, they'll slap at it once in a while. I can just barely hook them, and you've seen them just shake free. They're just not committing to that swim jig. They will commit to this creature, so let's keep it going. See if we can get a couple more. But it's just going to be a grind of a day. There we go. Small one, but I'll take it. Real small. What I'm talking about. Full-size creature, and I got this little tiny bass. Just barely bigger than my hand. But I'll take it on a day like today. There we go. On the swim jig here. Let's see if I can keep it. Ah! Comes off. I tried the swim jig. Knowing how they're biting it this morning, I thought I'd get another bite, and I could. Wouldn't stay on. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap it up for me this morning. What a grind of a morning it was. You know, I came out here, first thing, lost that fish on the swim jig, and they just would not commit to that swim jig. I lost a few more on it, and anytime they would slap on it, I'd feel them slapping at it a lot, and anytime I would get the hook on them, it was just on the outside of the mouth, making it really easy for them to jump up and throw it. So topwater was a complete bust, and the creature is what saved the day for me this morning. Got a few on the creature, but other than that, it was actually a grinder of a morning out here in this rainy, foggy, raw, cool conditions. Really not very seasonable for early July, but this is what we got. Well, if you like this video, give me that like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.